Good morning, children. Now I am going to take science for you. In the last class, I given the notes, lesson number 3, that is water. I think you have completed the classwork. If you have completed classwork, open the classwork. Lesson number 3, lesson name is water. So this is revision. Children, first main, hard words. First one, bathing. bathing, bathing. Second one, washing. washing, washing. Third one, rain. rain, rain. Fourth one, animals. animals, animals. Fifth one, plants. plants, plants. Sixth one, clean. clean, clean. Seventh one, rivers. rivers, rivers. Eighth one, ponds. ponds, ponds. Ninth one, drinking. drink, drinking. Tenth one, cooking. cooking, cooking. So these are odd words. Once again, I'll read that one. First one, bathing. Second one, washing. Third one, rain. Fourth one, animals. Fifth one, plants. Sixth one, clean. Seventh one, rivers. Eighth one, ponds. Ninth one, drinking. Tenth one, cooking. So these are odd words. First main. Now second main. Fill in the blanks. First one, water is used for dash clothes. So in the dash you must write washing. WATE or water, IS is USED used, FR for WASHING washing, CLOTHES clothes. Water is used for washing clothes. So in the dash washing will come there. Second one, dash and animals also need water. So in the dash you must write plants. PLANTS plants. ANIMALS animals. ALSO also. NEED need. WATER water. Plants and animals also need water. Third one, all living things need dash to live. So in the dash water will come. ALL all, LIVING living, THING things, NEED need, WATER water, TO2 LIVE live. All living things need water to live. Next fourth one, dash is the main source of water. So in the dash rain will come. RAIN rain. IS is TH is the MAIN main. SOURC is source. OF of WATER water. Rain is the main source of water. Fifth one, plants need water to stay dash. So in the dash you must write alive. PLANTS plants. NEED need. WATER water. TO2 STAY stay. Alive ALIVE alive. Plants need water to stay alive. Sixth one, we should drink dash water. So in the dash you must write clean. WVSHOULD should. DRINK drink. CLEAN clean. WATER water. We should drink clean water. So once again I'll read, fill in the blanks. First one, water is used for washing clothes. Second one, plants and animals also need water. Third one, All living things need water to live. Fourth one, rain is the main source of water. Fifth one, plants need water to stay alive. Sixth one, we should drink clean water. So these are fill in the blanks. Next, third main. Write true or false. First one, plants do not need water. So plants need water. No, you are given there do not need. So that is wrong. So in the bracket you write false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Second one, water can put out fire. So if fire catches, they will pour water, no? Then fire will off. So it is true. So in the bracket you write T-R-U-E, true. Third one, rain is the main source of water. So through rain we get water, no? That is also true. So in the bracket you write T-R-U-E, true. Fourth one, we can live without water. So that is false. We can't live without water. So in the bracket you write false. F-A-L-S-E, false. So these are true or false. Next page. Fourth main. Circle the correct word. See, here they are given two options. So only for correct option you must circle that one. Plants, doll, cannot live without water. So doll is a non-living thing and plants is a living thing. So doll does not need water. So plants need water, no? So you must circle for plants. Second one, before drinking we should freeze boil water. So in the water, inside water, germs all will be there. Now before drinking we must boil the water and drink. So for boil you must put circle there. Third one, water can be stored in bucket, bag. So in the bag you can pour water. If you pour water it won't be there. So the given bucket. So we will catch water in the bucket now. We will keep water in the bucket. So bucket is the right answer. So put circle for bucket. Fourth one, we should drink dirty clean water. So children, you will drink dirty water? No. You must drink clean water. So put circle for clean water. Children, next, fifth main. Unscramble the words and write them in the boxes. This is in the bracket they will give spellings mixed. So you must write that spellings correctly. First one, water is used for cooking dash. They are given box here, 4 box, and in the bracket 4 letters they are given, that is mixed. So in the bracket they are given OODF. So you must write in the box 4 box correctly. So correct spellings is FOOD, food. Water is used for cooking food. WATER, water. IS is USED, used. FO for COOKING, cooking. FOOD, food. Second one, water is used for dash. In the bracket they are given spellings BTHAGIN. So you must arrange that one correctly and write in the box they are given there. So the correct spelling is BATHING, bathing. So one letter you must write in one box. Water is used for bathing. WATER, water. IS is USED, used. FOR for BATHING, bathing. Third one, water is used to put off dash. They are given 4 dash. In the bracket they are given REFI. So that is fire. The correct spelling is F-I-R-E, fire. So in the box you must write F-I-R-E, fire. W-A-T-E or water, I-S-E is U-S-E-D used, T-O-2, P-U-T put, O-F-F off, F-I-R-E, fire. Fourth one, water is used for dash. In the bracket they given R-I-N-D-K-I-N-G. So the correct spelling is D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G, drinking. W-A-T-E or water, I-S-E is U-S-E-D used, F-O for D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G, drinking. Next, fifth one. Water is used for washing dash. So in the bracket they given T-H-E-S-E-L-O. So the correct spelling is clothes. C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. So W-A-T-E or water, I-S-E is U-S-E-D used, F-R for W-A-S-H-I-N-G, washing, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. Student? So these are unscramble the words and write correctly. So next main. Answer the following. First question. Why do we need water? Answer is we need water to live. Spelling W-E-V-N-E-E-D, need, W-A-T-E or water, T-O-2, L-I-V-E, live. We need water to live. Second one. Which is the main source of water? Answer. Rain is the main source of water. R-A-I-N, rain, I-S is T-H-E, the, M-A-I-N, main, S-O-U-R-C-E, source, O-F of W-A-T-E-R, water. Third one. From where do we get water? Answer. We get water from lakes, rivers, ponds, well. W-E-V-G-E-T, get, W-A-T-E or water, F-R-O-M, from, all L-A-K-E-S, lakes, R-I-V-E-R-S, rivers, P-O-N-D-S, ponds, W-E-L-L, well. We get water from lakes, rivers, ponds, well. Fourth one. Name any 4 uses of water. Answer. Drinking, bathing, washing, cooking. D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G, drinking. B-A-T-H-I-N-G, bathing. W-A-S-H-I-N-G, washing. C-O-O-K-I-N-G, cooking. So these are question answers. I'll repeat once again. Why do we need water? Answer. We need water to live. Second one. Which is the main source of water? Rain is the main source of water. Third one. From where do we get water? We get water from lakes, rivers, ponds, well. Fourth one. Name any 4 uses of water. Answer. Drinking, bathing, washing, cooking. Okay, children? So, these are the mains from third lesson. That is lesson number water. Any doubt, children? I think you could have understood. In the next class, I will give you UT. Be prepared for the UT. Okay, children? Thank you.